All right, again, share your story, Rody Harrowbell. Well, let's talk about earnings. This is the new video na ating pag-uusapan na naman po. But before, please subscribe to this channel, share your story, Ronnie Harrowbell, and please click the notification bell. But anyway, this is now I'm gonna share about my earnings. If what is gonna happen on my YouTube in my channel. So this content is we are trying to our best, not just to we enjoy about the vlogging. Although yes, vlogging is one of the way can be express our opinion, our knowledge, our motivation. So that's why tonight, and of course, that's always earnings that we're gonna talk also. But I want to share to you because talagang I really dismayed what happening to my earnings. Alam nyo kasi we are trying all our best but it's really hard to increase our earnings. I don't know if how your earnings but sometimes it is sad to say not all are really supportive to you or they are really watching your videos. And although they comment and I know who is commented in the comment section, but they are not really watching my videos. So that's why it will be reflect who is really watching my video and who is really supporting my video. That's why I know them and I know those who really support. But that's really well, we are only small content, but this is very important subject that we're gonna talk tonight. That we're gonna let's talk about earnings. So supposed to be my earnings really dropped, and almost 3 months I did not receive my payout because I did not reach out of $100 a month. And I really amazed of other bloggers because they are really reaching more increasing their earnings and they are 200, 300, $400, $500. Wow, that's did you imagine? But me, I really really dismayed about the situation because my earnings really dropped and almost 3 months I did not receive payout. That's why we're now getting close on October 31 to cut off the earnings. Yeah, but I need to reach out $100 to to have an earnings also. So our date is October 25. Yeah, it's only 6 days ago. If I can reach out this um $100 because this is now we're gonna talk. I'm gonna share it to you. I really so sad what happened to my earnings. But that's on that way on that uh, what is happening to my earnings. But still, I try to keep on this my content. I try to keep on support all my friends here in YouTube that we're gonna be um, to enjoy our not only because of the earnings but because also of our content. But reality, I'm not a hypocrite that I did not that I will not say that I don't need to increase my earnings. So that's why I really want to say that I really want to increase my earnings. See, I don't know about you, but I really want to increase my earnings. But this time I'm gonna share to you that my earnings really. Oh no, it's it's well, that's reality. Now here we go, and this is I'm gonna share to you, okay, about my earnings, and this is gonna talk about because we must know, uh, we must know it what is happening to our content in our videos. So one by one, gonna share with you, and I'm really sad of what is, yeah. Well, and we're gonna start here. This is now my earnings is 90.83 dollars. Okay, $90 and 0.83 cents. So I need to reach out $100 that it would be processed every 11 or 10 or 11, then that it would be proceed to pay out on every 21 to 26 of that date. Well, my earnings tonight is only this $90 point 83. So I need uh, I need nine almost $9 and to comply this a total of $100 that I can be receive this payout from YT. You know why? Because almost 3 months I did not receive a salary from YT. Really sad. Well, and I'm gonna share to you about this video, and that's the video that YouTube reporting to me in my he is YouTube sending this report to my my email account, and that is the number one of my video in this September on September. Yes, yeah. So we're now October, but the report in last September is only it's late report to me. He YouTube sent me a report the month of September. So number one, that is through the fingerprint. You know why? That's my content too. Then number two, halos lahat ng Pilipinas is projects ay that's also second, and the third is sinungaling ka Bryce. So 156 returning. Okay. So YouTube showing me that who is the returning supporting my friends on YouTube. Well, I hope you are the one of these returning and my okay. So right. Then the next one is this is the highest uh, v- views last of the month of the September. So nagulat ang okay that is 2,766 views I have on that video. The second is nauli ang dahil 2,236 views, and matinding pagpas or 1,786. So actually this is a very uh, not only by 1 month that we get that, no, but I think this is 4 months already, 3 months or 4 months. So it's not only by a month or as that I received these views. No, this is I think that is 4 months. So the total of 2,766. So I know it's still increasing the views. Oh. So that's my sharing. Well, and also I'm gonna share also this now about this my earnings on this video. So here we are, and this is very important to know that our earnings will be through analytics. All right. So that's the video we're gonna share to you tonight. Well, the first video that we're gonna talk is about the print. You know what? Okay. Sorry. It's still okay. Yes. So the video that I share with you tonight, the highest, yes, here. So it's already 3 point key or 3,000 views. It's already. So the earnings is only $2.09. Wow, it's really small. But anyway, this only video is only 3 minutes. Anyway, the longer video is good, but the only short video or 3 minutes video is only that can be really small, just really small. It's really small earnings. Then the next one is 2.2. Although this video is already 5 hours, 5 hours, and I got 2.2, 2,200 plus views that I received. So the only earnings is 3.15. Wow. Although that's five hours, but because it depending on the ads and depending also of the video. But if you see, if you see my small video, my short video, 3 minutes only. Okay, almost 3 minutes. So what's it by 3,000 views, and I got this earnings to point $2.09. Unlike here on this 5,000, yeah, 5,000. So actually this yeah, that's what I said. It's almost 5 hours, and but the only watch it is 2.2 views. Okay, 2,200 plus views. So the only earnings is 3 point no, $3.15. So it's only by because because of the who are watched and by those also getting views or they are skipping ads. That's why that's the problem. And the next one is, yeah, this is a fingerprint that I got this 2.7 key, 2.7 views or 2,700 plus views. I received it, and but that's only $1.39 because this video is only 2 minutes, okay, almost 2 minutes. So it's really oh no. So that's okay, no problem. And that's now the problem of my earnings is well, that's our real that's our situation on this earnings. That's why sometimes it's really getting tired and really sad of that's what happening on these earnings. But still, keep going and trying that I can be reach out the yeah, this is the oops, sorry. Yeah, it's it 90 dollars. Yeah, that's only $90 point 3. Oh, so sad on that. Oh no, that's real. That's the situation of my earnings. Okay, thank you for watching. And don't forget to support. Please support. Don't skip the ads. And keep watching. Keep on good message according to the video. And that our content and our earnings will be positive always. Okay. Thank you so much and bye bye.